Dear students, so today we will see that what kind of questions are expected to be in a Cisco small medium business sales exam, which is 700 to 50 exam. So let's see what kind of questions are expected to be in this exam. So before the quiz, you must there are some tips for you, read the question carefully and make sure that you understand what is being asked. Don't rush into the answering just because you see a familiar keyword. Second most important tip is eliminate the answer that you know are wrong. This will narrow down your choices and make it easier to select the correct answer. Pay attention to the wording of the answer choices. Sometimes one answer choice will be very, very similar to another, but only one will be the most accurate. So if you are unsure about the answer, guess you have 25% of chances of getting it right, and there is no penalty for guessing. So I hope you are ready for the question. The first question is, in the term of Cisco business outcome sales roles, there are many variation in the teams that engage with customers. So which of the following is not one of these items? So here you need to find which one is not one, right? So I give you 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the answer is, you can guess it, and the answer is C, right? Now, for the second question, what is Cisco approach to business outcome sales? This is a bit long question. It might take a few more seconds from you to understand and comprehend. So, what do you think that the answer could be A, right? The answer is A. Now, for the third question, which is unique capability of Meraki MX? So, it's simpler. I think you can easily guess the answer. The answer is D, right? Okay, for the question number 4, the Cisco TrustSec software-defined segmentation is simpler to enable than VLAN-based segmentation. Which of the following is not? So you should be careful that there are sometimes some students they don't see the not word. So be careful in that one. So yeah, for the TrustSec, the for the TrustSec, the questions might not come in the future because they are stopping it um, from this year. They are stopping this software because it is being replaced with the Cisco umbrella, trust umbrella. So instead of the trust security questions, you will be given some question related to Cisco umbrella, secure umbrella. So the answer for this is A. Okay, Cisco was the first company to provide which product commercially? So the options are remote access devices, fiber optic networking, multiple protocol routers, and wireless networking. So the answer is C. Okay, so the question number 6 is, what is the Cisco approach to business outcome sales? So there are 4 options. It's a bit lengthy, but you have to skim it quickly and see what could be the answer. So the answer is A. Okay, for question number 7, how does Cisco Web Security Appliance protect the organization? Okay, so there are 4 choices for you. I think you can easily guess this answer, and the answer is D. So the D is automatic monitoring and annealing. Okay, question number 8. Cisco products and solution are based on open network architecture. Which of the following is not? So this is again a point, a principal technology. So in my point of view, the answer could be B, right? Yeah. Okay, so question number 9. Cisco collaboration edge architecture helps improve the end user experience while offering the security, ease of development, and open standard interoperability. Which of the following is not a gateway product? I think you can easily guess this answer, and the answer is C. Okay. Okay, so well done, and I hope you enjoyed this quiz. Okay, so I am coming up with a new question for each module of Cisco Small Medium Business Sales exam, which is 700 250. I will provide you in the next video quizzes for each module. So we have like almost 10 modules. So in that one, every module will have a separate quiz. So subscribe to this channel and follow up with the next quiz. Thank you.